In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Google Meet. This is a useful feature when you want to ensure that a meeting remains secure and free from interruptions. Whether it's an unwanted guest or someone who's being disruptive, Google Meet gives you the power to manage your meeting participants effectively. Let's walk through the process together. First off, let's start with heading over to the Google Meet website. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're in, look for the option labelled New Meeting. This might be a button or a link, depending on the layout at the time. Click on this to start a fresh meeting or to join an existing one. Now that you've got your meeting up and running, you'll want to access the participant list to see who's joined. On the meeting screen, look for an option that says People. This is usually indicated by an icon resembling a person or a group of people. This will open up a sidebar or a window showing everyone who is currently in the meeting. Within the People section, find the participant you wish to block. Next to their name, there should be 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will open up a drop-down menu, giving you various options to manage this participant. From the drop-down menu, select Remove from the Call. This action will instantly remove the person from your current meeting. However, removing them doesn't prevent them from rejoining if they have the link. To ensure they can't come back, you'll need to take one more step. After selecting Remove from the Call, another option will appear. Block from this call. Choose this to block the user permanently from rejoining the meeting you are currently hosting. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures that they cannot disrupt your meeting again. The final step is to confirm this action. You'll be prompted to click Remove to finalize the blocking process. This ensures that the participant is both removed and blocked from the meeting, providing a secure and uninterrupted experience for you and the rest of your participants. Remember, it's essential to use the blocking feature responsibly. It's a tool designed to keep your meetings safe and focused, and it should be used prudently to maintain a professional and respectful online meeting environment. And there you have it. Now you know how to remove and block someone from your Google Meet meetings effectively. This process will help you manage your participants better, keeping your virtual meetings seamless and secure. Keep this handy for those rare occasions when you need to ensure someone can't disrupt your meeting. Thanks for watching, and for more helpful tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel.